Welcome to my Me Time Monday Wellness Hack on how to go from FOMO to JOMO. This is a Me Time Monday Wellness Hack, which is part of our Self-Care in 7-Minute Solution video series. I'm Sherri Snelling, gerontologist, author of Me Time Monday, and CEO of the Caregiving Club. We typically talk about FOMO, also known as the fear of missing out, as it relates to our social media addictions. We love posting our latest achievement or vacation photos or favorite food, which then sit in anxious anticipation of the likes and shares that may never come. As we wait, we are also searching others' feeds, noticing that maybe their achievement was bigger, or their vacation was better, or their food tastier. And let's face it, we are also doom scrolling late into the night, which disrupts our sleep and ultimately our health. In fact, one study showed 1 minute more of nightly doom scrolling meant we lose up to 1 hour struggling to get into restorative sleep. But FOMO can also happen when you become a family caregiver. You feel anxious or depressed over missing out on things you want to do. Maybe it's missing your son's home run on the baseball field, or your daughter's piano recital, missing a friend's birthday party, or missing out taking a vacation because you want to be home to care for mom or dad or another older loved one. Moving from FOMO to JOMO, which is the joy of missing out, is part of caregiver self-care. It helps you take back the power where you focus more on yourself and your loved one rather than on meaningless, faceless others on social media or all the things that you are missing. JOMO is about rewiring our brain and harnessing one of our 4 happiness hormones, dopamine. This hormonal release creates rewards in the brain based on new learnings, and then it motivates us to want more. The trick is to retrain your brain to savor special moments with a loved one, not to focus on what is missing in your life. FOMO is about giving up your control. It is external locus of control that is taken over, and it rewires your brain to release dopamine for bad behavior like doom scrolling, and it can lead to poorer health. Studies show those who do social media 2 to 3 hours a day experience more negative mental health issues such as anxiety or depression. When we have FOMO, which is fear, it creates a fountain of stress and anxiety because it ignites our brain and body into a state of constant alert. Also, science tells us instant gratification actually leads to dissatisfaction and ultimately depression over time. JOMO, on the other hand, is about internal locus of control. It is where you create your happiness. Your dopamine reward becomes wired to being in the moment with an older loved one, creating a memory that will last your lifetime long after your loved one is gone, or just the happiness we have in giving our love and time to another person. With JOMO, we are simply relishing and savoring the little moments. This is not a quick dopamine high. It is a longer, lingering happiness called joy. We are only happy when we have agency, when we earn it, when we work for it, and when we achieve it. Then we are truly happy. As caregivers, we need to focus on the silver linings. They may be small, but we grow through caregiving. We learn patience, listening skills, empathy, compassion, and pure love. All gifts that should not be overlooked in life. Caregiving can be part of our growth potential and growth mindset that makes us stronger in body and mind. Despite the time it takes to be a caregiver and even the sacrifices we make, most of us report feelings of gratitude, satisfaction, and love. Caregiving may just teach you to find your JOMO. I hope you enjoyed this Me Time Monday Wellness Hack. Every Monday I will have a new Self-Care in 7 Minutes video. You can find more information in my book, Me Time Monday, the weekly wellness plan to find balance and joy for a busy life, or visit MeTimeMonday.com or CaregivingClub.com. Take care and stay well.